What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to remove access from someone that you gave, for some apps that you gave, or how to remove access from connections you gave on Google Docs or on Google Drive or some Google service, okay? There is two locations that you must review in the case that you want to remove this kind of access, okay? First thing, go to your Drive, okay? In the case that you gave access to something like it, review the upper right corner of your screen, go to this gear icon and go to Settings. Once on Settings, review the left sidebar of menus. You have General, Privacy, Notifications, and Manage Apps. And right here on Apps, imagine that you would like to remove Gemini access from your Google Drive. All you have to do is unmark these tabs right here. And of course, you can delete hidden app data in the case that you want as well, okay? All up to you, okay? There is some options on it. Some you cannot remove, you just can disable, others you can remove, okay? And you can see a list of apps just like this right here, okay? Now, another important part is going to your Google account, okay? Review the upper right corner of your screen, click on your profile and go to Manage Google Account. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus once again and go to Linked Apps. Right here, you're gonna be able to see the apps and the permissions they have on your Google account. Imagine that you don't recognize an app, for example, this one right here. This app has access to see my profile info, okay? I do not want to give this app an access like this. So go to delete all and confirm, okay? And you are good to go. Simple, easy, effective, and help you keep your Google account secure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.